All right, Dope Bar Ride, we out. Me and Bird, cold weather bash, X Max.
The only brave one.
Yep, only brave ones. 6S and the X Max. Light bash today, nothing crazy. It's cold. You don't want to break. The ground is hard as a rock, so we're just gonna go through a couple packs if we can and survive and live another day. Ooh. I got the ramp set up right here too, so take lift off right quick. Oh, that could have ruined my day. That could have ruined my day early, y'all. I had the Outcast 8S, but I forgot the batteries. What an idiot. Ooh. Bird Fireteam. Uh-oh, there you go. Caught it.
I'm trying to design a wheelie bar to put on here. Nobody really made it.
Nah.
I've only found one. They were like $50 for a little piece of plastic. I'm like, I could build one better.
It's that body. The way a body's shaped. Check this out.
I got my ribs in the truck.
Oh, perfect. Chassis slap though. Yeah, you don't have to hit the ramp. Like I hit it right here too. Just gotta watch out for that fence. I mean, if you really want to pop it up, you know, get the ramp.
Mine just goes forward right away.
So you gotta keep your hand up, keep your finger on the throttle. It'll keep the nose up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. That thing can do a double backflip standing. Oh, man.
I think I'm going to take this Max 6 out.
You don't take the Max 6 out?
Yeah, I think I'm going to put it back.
It's strong, man. Yeah. It's strong.
I might just turn the punch down.
I was trying to fix the ramps, that's all. Yeah, he'll catch a little something. Oh! Ooh! I got you, bird. Hold on, I got you. Don't blow your disc. It ain't worth it. I think my battery just disconnected. Yep. Not break anything though. I forgot to put a body post on, y'all. I got one body post in the rear. Ridiculous. And I gotta change this connector over. I got a IC8 and QS8. Yeah, it's all good. She back together. She is back together. What happened to yours? Yeah, you got the 8S in there. Whew.
No, she just set the back. Oh, this thing came back out.
Yeah.
It's too cold. I don't think it's a blue one.
Uh-oh.
It just needed a little restart. But
Some bodies is pricey too.
yeah.
They definitely are.
You could change every one of these panels. When they've been breaking, I've just been taking them off.
Taking them off, right? Leave it like a cage.
Yeah, the cage is
Good enough.
is basically the body.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this one up. I glued down the power. The power's with it. They're not with it. Oh.
Oh, landed it.